Okay, so what is automation? In general, automation is the use of machines to replace human labor. Okay, so what you normally do manually, you use machines to do the whole process. So I'm going to use, gari making, for example, as an example. Okay, because I love gari. Okay, I love to eat gari. But if you use manual labor to process and make gari from cassava, what you normally do is to wash manually wash cassava, then manually peel it, okay, then grate it, then dry it, and fry it, and pack it. Very simple. Hence, that's what you typically do, okay, manually. Now, if you're going to automate it, then you will use a machine to possibly wash the cassava. It will then be put on the conveyor system, to another machine to peel it, okay, then grate it, then onto another machine on conveyor system to dry it, and then to a packing station where you do the packing. Okay, now, so these are all processes that several machines may do, okay, with conveyor systems between them and so forth. But behind it all would be an industrial computer, okay, a specialized computer called the PLC, or programmable logic controller. That would be the brains behind it, telling the systems, okay, watch this, okay, then put it on the conveyor system, turn the motor on, and so forth and so on, before it gets on to the last point. Okay, so you will have these machines, conveyor systems, and then the brains behind it all in the PLC. So in a nutshell, that is what automation is. Good question. So what is mechatronics? Well, simply put, the machines of today in industry is not like your grandfather's Oldsmobile, to put it mildly. The machines of today are very sophisticated, okay? These days you can even sit far away from a machine and control it or calibrate the sensor and so forth and so on. So the technician of today, okay, working on such sophisticated machines needs to have a basic understanding of several disciplines, okay, mechanical engineering, okay, electrical, IT, because if he sets up some systems, machines, in a network, for example, he needs to understand some IT and IP addresses and all of that. So mechatronics is a short form of mechanical and electronics, mechatronics. Okay, so the technician needs to understand all these basic things: mechanical, electrical, IT, and so forth and so on. So the technician who is doing mechatronics, there's a curriculum that would include all these aspects. So basically, that's what mechatronics is. And we train people in mechatronics and automation and the like. Yes, KERSL automation is one of the best automation and training providers in the country. One of our focus areas is to design machines for support SME, small and medium-scale industries, okay, to bring added value to raw materials, okay, because in fact, if a country is going to develop, it must industrialize. And KERSL automation designs machines to specifically support SMEs in that regard. Recently, we completed the UNIDO project where we designed machines for mango juice extractors. We designed mango juice extractors, mango washing machines, pasteurizers for heating the mango juice to destroy bacteria and so forth, dehydrators and so forth. So We've designed a number of machines for UNIDO and also for Ghana State Development Fund and so forth, so on, calling machines for removing seeds from the husk and everything. Okay, so yes, so our vision of using homegrown technology to bring added value to raw materials and also to provide work to the youth and so forth. We believe that it's in line with the government's agenda for Ghana Beyond Aid. We also train people in automation, okay, as we had explained what automation is. We train technicians from industry, technicians and engineers, but also from the general public. So we are not limited to only for industry to bring in their technicians. The general public, anybody can come and do training to improve his or her skills in that area. Thank you.